Hey folks, Colin here from Aitum. Did you know that it's possible to have a secret group of channel point redemptions for your community to unlock? Today's import rule is all about adding a black market for your community to unlock and abuse for 5 minutes. First thing you want to do is head across to aitum.tv/imports and select the 5-minute black market item and download it. Next, open up Aitum. Before importing the rule, you want to add a Twitch redemption called Black Market, or whatever you wish to call this unlockable. Next, you'll then want to create a group and drag some channel point redemptions across. These will be the items that will be unlocked when the black market is redeemed. Make sure to turn the items and the group itself off. Next, head across to Rules and click on Import. Select or drag the file we downloaded before. Inside the wizard, select the redemption we set up for the black market, and then select the redemption group you wish to have as the items to unlock. And that's all there is to it. If you wish to add more of an indicator for your viewers, you can set up a text source on OBS too, and then simply add 2 extra actions, one for changing the text for when it's closed and for one when it's open. And then all you have to do is drag them into the correct position alongside the enabling and disabling of the market. Now, if you have a keen-eyed viewer, they may see that there's a black market to unlock to create a bit of chaos for you and your community. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions or if you have created something very cool to show us, feel free to join the Discord or follow our Twitter. Links to both will be in the description down below.